GastroTube. Hello guys, welcome to the GastroTube channel. Breakfast is the most important part of every human. So today I will share with you one of the most delicious dish of Ukrainian cuisine. It's called syrniki. This is a very delicious dish, and to prepare it I need cottage cheese, an egg, raisins and some flour. Cottage cheese is very useful, especially for kids and oldies. It contains lots of calcium and proteins, which are responsible for the power of your bones. Some people may think that syrniki is a Russian dish, but they are wrong, because Ukrainians call cottage cheese syr. That's why the dish proudly wears Ukrainian name syrniki. 1 pound of homemade cottage cheese. You can buy it in the nearest store or farm market. We also need 1 egg. We need some raisins, we need several teaspoons of sugar and a half of teaspoon of salt and 6 tablespoons of flour. So to start with syrniki, we have to mix all ingredients. I would like at first to add an egg, raisins, our spices and the flour, but be careful with flour, try to add it step by step. Now I start mixing. So, I am ready with you to start cutting our syrniki. Now, to prepare nice balls like this, I will simply cut it with a knife, pieces like this. And now, use some flour and form balls like this. Decorate it like this. Make some stripes. And the last one. We are done. Before frying, I propose you to use oil spray, not the one in the bottle. This is needed to reduce extra oil from your food. I'm doing like this. And we put syrniki. Cover your syrniks on top. Keep an eye on your syrniki because they're getting brown very fast. So, to control, check the one in the middle. Hop. Some mint on top and honey like this. Bon appetit, guys! Don't lose our useful and really delicious recipes from all over the world. Discover the world with us.